Let me explain about the lists in HTML. Why use lists in HTML? To organize the data or to organize the list of the items in a structured way, we use list concept. Then HTML provides three types of the list. Three types of the lists. Then the first one is unordered, unordered list. The second one is no space is required. The second one is ordered, ordered list. Then third one is definitions list. Definitions list. Three lists are used to organize the data on the web page in a structured way. Let me discuss about what is called unordered list. Unordered, unordered list. Then what is the purpose to use unordered list in HTML? The unordered list is used to organize the list of the items in bulletin point by default. Okay, no order is required. Okay, the items, list of the items are displayed in a, not in a particular order. Any order to be maintained, those items are displayed by using another list. For example, okay, which fruits you are interested, because the order is not required in such cases, the list of the fruits to be displayed. That is called as the another list. For example, then why which tag is used to define the another list? Then UL. UL tag is used to define the another list. Then definition is what? Then displayed list of the items, displayed, displayed list type, list of the items, list of the items in bullet point, bullet point, bullet point by default. Okay, by default. If you not use any attribute of the UL, then display the list of the items in a bulletin point, that is called as the another list. Here another list will be closed. Then the starting tag is another list, the ending tag is another list. Then list of the items to be defined by using the list tag. Then list tag will be how many lists to be displayed on the web page. Then each and every item to be displayed by using the list tag. Okay, this is called as the another list, because list of the items to be displayed in the bulletin point, then that is called as the another list. Then the one list, if you want to go for many items, this is for example one, this whatever it is, whatever data do you want, you can display like this. This is called as another list. Okay, how the items are displayed directly, I will show you practically. Correct. Okay, if you want to display the boilerplate code, shift place one, shift place one, the boilerplate code will be displayed. Then tab. Okay, by default, this code will be displayed in the yes. Then title is lists in HTML. Then first, whatever the content you want to display on the web page, we will use inside the body tag. Then another list, then list of the items to be displayed, then li tag which is used to display the items, for example, then Java. These are the items are displayed in the bullet point. Then this is starting tag, this is the ending tag, then this is a list of the items. Okay, here I would like to use h1. Okay, unordered list, unordered list. Okay, I want to display the unordered list, the list of the items to be displayed. Let me save it. Show output, you can see here the another list, the list of the items to be displayed by place and JavaScript, which are displayed in the bullet point. Okay, this is called as the bullet point by default. Okay, in another list, we can also use the type attribute if we to change the type of the bullet point. The type equal. Okay, there are other disk, circle, square, which are the few values of the type attribute. Then by default it is a disk. Okay, disk type equal to disk, the same. Control S, automatically this list of the items will be displayed, because say it is by default. If it doesn't use any type attribute in another list, by default the list of the items are displayed in the disk format. Then if you want to display in the circle, then circle, then type attribute is circle, then save it. Then here small circle symbols you can look at here. But if you are observed carefully, the before the items, the small circle symbols without filling any color, black color, that is called as the circle type. Then another name is also be there, square. Be there, then square type equal to square. Then here the square symbol, it is not a rounded symbol. This is called as the square symbol to be displayed before the item name. Okay, by default it is a disk. If you want to display the list of the items, okay, by square and circle we have to use type add. This is called as the another list, because how the list of the items are displayed in the bullet point and the web page, we must use the another list. Then next one, H1, then order list. I want to discuss about the order list. Then the starting tag is OL. The starting tag is OL. Then list of the items. Then same list of the items have to be used here. The HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. In case of the these items are displayed, save it once, because order list will be started, another order list will be ended. Then save it once, it will be reflected on the web page. Order list, here the starting 1 2 3 4. Here the list is to be maintained particular order. Another list there is no particular order, but here we should maintain the order. This is called as the order list. Got it? What is that? Because these are also type attributes also be there. Some values type equal to 1 by default, type equal to 1 by default. Then save it once, then no changes happen, because by default it is a 1. If it is A, then list of the items are displayed the starting with A, B, C, D. Then save it. How the items are displayed? You look at here, A, B, C, D. See the output over here. For example, small a is also be available. Then save it once. Then small a, B, C, D. The list of the items are displayed like this. Then Roman letters also be displayed. Then Roman I. Then save it once. Then here look at this output. 1, 2, 3, 4, Roman 1, 2, 3, 4. The small I, then I 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Then sublist also you can use like this. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 this. This is called as what? Order list. Then definition list. Then H1. Then H1. Then definition list. Then DL. Okay, because DL is the main tag which is used to define the term definition. Because DL stands for definition list, the DL tag will be ended. Then here DT stands for data term. DT stands for data term. Then DD means data description. Okay, we have to give the description about the HTML. This is like heading. Okay, term is HTML. DD data description about the HTML. Here also data term CSS, data term CSS. Then this is the description about the CSS. Control S. Then see how the output will be displayed on the web page. Look at here, got a description list. The HTML is the data term. It is the description about the HTML. CS is the data term. This is the description about the CSS. Then this is JavaScript is the term. That this is the description about the JavaScript. If you want to display, if you want to organize the data in this format on the web page, then we must use descriptions list or definitions list. Nested list. Then first, then if you want to use, generally the lists are required to prepare the index page on the web page. If okay, if you want to design the index page in the web page, the lists are very important. Then a simple another list. Okay, this is the way we can display it. Nested list. Okay, simple This is called another list. Okay, how it will be displayed, you can see here. Then I will write it here. Then tab. Then I save the time. UL is the main tag. Then item one. Okay. Then sub list. This is the sub list is also be created. Then item sub item 1.1, sub item 1.2. Then the main item 2 is also be displayed. The sub items. Yeah. Nested list. This is called as what? Main. This is called as the main item. This is called as sub items. Not only this, if you want to make it as ordered, then order list. Okay, how it will be displayed? Order list. Okay, then how the item one, one, two. This is a sub list. Let me create the sub list for this sub item 2.1. I use order list. The list of the items, sub item 2.1.1, sub item 2.1.2. I use type attribute, type equal to A. Then how the items are displayed? Then first item displayed A, the second item will be displayed with B. Save this document. Here look at the web page, how the items are displayed over the web page. The sub item 2.1.1, sub item 2.1.2, these are the sub items of this one, which are displayed with A, B. You can create the nested list in the web page by using order and unordered list. If you have any doubt regarding these lists in HTML, contact me through the comment box.